never imagined preparing tomatoes and eggs this way. It's tasty and quick. To begin our recipe, we'll chop 1 tomato, one-third of a green bell pepper, and 5 garlic cloves. In a pan, we'll put some olive oil and we'll fry the garlic and the bell pepper. Then let's add the tomatoes. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where are you watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. Let's add salt and black pepper. You have no idea how good this smells. Now we'll grate some mozzarella. And we'll put it in the pan. Let's mix. Let's add 4 eggs. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. We'll cover the pan for a while. And once it's like this, we'll add more grated mozzarella and some chive. Let's cover the pan again until the cheese melts. At the end of the video, leave me a grade from 1 to 10. And our recipe is ready! Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!